Good morning and welcome to the test garden at CPS. I'm Julie Hunnefeld, and today I wanted to show you a couple different things in the garden. We wanted to look at some plants that have both male and female flowers, and the female flowers need to get pollinated. So we'll see, sometimes we see pollinators moving from flower to flower. Today I wanted to show you 3 different plants. So these monoecious plants are cucumber, melon, we have watermelon in our garden, and any types of squash. So today we'll start with cucumber plants. This is something fun that you can do with your students as well, looking for female flowers and male flowers, and being able to identify them. If you look very carefully, you will see that some plants have stems that connect to the plant, and it's just a stem that connects to the plant. Most of the flowers will look like that, but then other flowers, if you look very carefully, you will see that there's a little, in this case, cucumber or fruit that is right below the flower. So when you see this, then you have found a female flower. Here's another one right there. And the flower will grow, and the fruit will grow and swell until it gets to be the size of something you want to eat. And in that process, the flower will fall off. But it needs to be pollinated. So pollinators will visit the male flowers and bring pollen from that male flower to the female flower, and then that fruit will begin to swell. So this is an example of a cucumber plant. Over here, we have a watermelon plant. We can see in here, we actually have a watermelon, which is super exciting. So this is one that has been pollinated and has grown. We can also take a look at the different flowers to try to find a male flower or a female flower. So when I'm looking here, I see a very tiny little watermelon. So this is, and the flower is on the end, so that's a female flower. And then wherever I find flowers with no tiny little watermelons, those are male flowers. So this one here is a male flower. And one thing you can do with students is they can pretend that they're pollinators and take either a Q-tip or a little brush, and they can brush from the male flowers and get pollen on that Q-tip or brush, and then move that to the female flowers so that they can do the job of pollination as well. So the other type of plant that we have in our garden are squash. So we have yellow squash and we have zucchini squash. And you can see some really good examples in here of male flowers. So this is a male flower, and you can see that that stem doesn't have any fruit on it. And then you can see some little yellow squashes here that were from the female flower. And we can see some really overgrown ones that are past a good time to harvest, because it's probably been a week or so since I've been to the garden. So we have one here, and there's another really big one back there that we'll take out today so that the other fruits can continue to grow. And then we also have, like in the zucchini plant as well, one zucchini that's the size of a baseball bat. So we'll take that one out today as well. So thank you for coming and learning about male and female flowers today, and we'll see you next time.